Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson V11 and removing the canister. This is done by pressing the red button on the handle and lifting it off. Next, locate the screws that hold the motor housing in place. There are typically 4 screws on the back of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Remember to keep them safe, as you'll need them later for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry apart the motor housing using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any of the clips. After that, you will see the motor connected by several wires. Before disconnecting anything, take a moment to clean any dust buildup inside the housing with a soft cloth. A clean environment will help your new motor function better. Now, disconnect the wires from the old motor. You may need to use your Torx screwdriver to remove any additional screws that secure the motor in place. Once the motor is free, take your new motor and connect it to the same wires, ensuring everything is attached correctly. If you're unsure, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help guide you through this process. Next, place the new motor back into the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, making sure everything is tightly in place. Afterward, reattach the motor housing to the main body of the vacuum. This should snap back into place without any force. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Start by placing the canister back onto the unit. Make sure it clicks into position. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, don't worry. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Finally, plug your Dyson V11 back in and run a quick test to make sure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, remember we offer a quote before repair services to help you address any concerns. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can significantly extend the life of your vacuum cleaner, ensuring it runs efficiently for years to come. This concludes our tutorial on changing the motor of your Dyson V11. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your clean home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.